Hello, welcome to D1 Trade. This is D1. So today is February the 24th, 8:38 a.m. And it looks like today is bullish market, and we saw the downward breakout, but it got rejected at ENA 21, and it's above ENA 200. So this way I should go long at the bottom because everything shows that okay, previous resistance becomes support and it verifies this is support. So probably that it will bounce back. But I checked the 1 hour chart. If we check the 15-minute chart, then still we don't see anything. It looks like this is a bullish going upward. But if we check 1 hour, it feels like this is another resistance level. Yeah, this is another resistance level. So we just go a short. We just do a short. So it will probably like fall back something. And for 1 hour, yeah, after the slump here, then it just sideways. And this is the verified resistance level, and it shows up such breakout to the downside. Well, this is the first one. It breaks anchor lower low, and this is the sideway and break to the downside. And we will see. So for this one, the stop loss will be set here. If it close above here, then we will close the trade. Because this is a little bit intimidating. Get rejected in EA 21 again. I'm not that confident, so I don't trade like NQ. Okay, this is the first meeting. It looks like probably I'll add a complimentary order somewhere around here. Probably I'll set a limit order here because I was setting it here, which is the lower bound, a previous support, the lower bound for this sideway. Oh, it looks like it's continued to the down to the upside. So the ENI 21 defense is effective. So we'll probably like quit the trade with some micro profit. I'm not sure where it goes. Seems like it's just fresh. See, whenever it becomes green, can you stay green? Oh, green for $1. Can you stay green? Okay, I'm not greedy. $26, $26. I'm good. Because this is very intimidating trade, I would say. Effective defense. Yeah, effective defense on EA 21. Although if I check 1 hour chart, that is another verified resistance. But we can always, once it break to here and retest to here, we can and show a downward engulfing. We can always trade go short from there. It should break and retest and something and show downward engulfing. Otherwise, this defense at EN 21 is pretty intimidating. See? So never play around. So this is today's first trade. We make 90 bucks. It's better than nothing. Yeah, better than nothing. We'll see the close of this candle. If it breaks EN 21, I mean, this is a new sideway we can see. If it breaks EN 21, then we'll go short. We can also go short from there. Because the hypothesis is that this is the final support, that things gonna reverse up from here because it triggers EN 21 and triggers previous resistance. And this is verified support. So this is the hypothesis. So if we, okay, this is sideways. And if we can continue to go up, we'll see this candle. If we end up engulfing, okay, we'll do maybe here or maybe here, go long. Now, this is a verified resistance. And on 1 hour chart, this is resistance from 1 hour chart. So go long is intimidating. At this time, only look for short opportunity. So when can we go long? Look at 1 hour. It breaks. It breaks here significantly, and then retest. And in here, show upward engulfing candle. And this time we can go long. But now this is the upper bound of some sideway area from 1 hour chart. And you cannot see that this in 15-minute chart, but in 1 hour chart, see. So you need to significantly break. I mean, I'm expecting to arrive here. And then so that to build to make sure it's not a fake breakout, and then retest. If it does not fall, free fall something here, it just fall here and show it falls back to here, allow here, and shows the upward engulfing. And that's where I go long. No, this time I don't go long. I don't go long. So this is sideways, no trade area. We'll see. So eventually it meets here, it triggers here. Okay, continue to go up. Then if it's going long, it looks like for now it looks like a square, something like this. We'll see very close. 2 more minutes. Remember, this trend line is area is not a single line. Hmm. Not sure how long this is gonna go. It's in some sideway. Okay, we can see ES does not close above the in breakout downward breakout candle. But what about NQ? NQ has more intention to go up. Okay, the last minute, we'll see if we go long. See if we engulfing. But for ES, it does not engulf. So I need both ES and NQ engulf to make sure it's uptrend confirm, reverse something. Now, okay, both are not engulfing. And this looks like a bearish flag. It's a flag, and this is bearish to the downside. We'll see this candle. I don't put a limit order here. Why? Because it's not engulfing. I mean, even together with this candle engulf, that counts. That counts. No. If this candle can close above this line, then I will put a limit order here. But now it's just both ES and NQ. None of them engulf. I mean, even one of them engulf, I don't count. I mean, I need both. I need both. Okay, it looks like it's gonna trigger. It's gonna arrive at the top. That is the range. The sideways range is so small. It's not good. If I set a limit order here, then the risk reward ratio is 1 on 1. It's not worth trading. Not worth the risk. Oh, oh, still cannot engulf. Still cannot engulf. So should I set a limit order here? No. I need to wait for confirmation. Either we see it's so reluctant to go up. You cannot assume that the selling momentum is great or there is any selling momentum. It's reluctant and maybe it will gradually keep going up. We need to see realize evidence. There is another breakout candle, break out this line, and then I can set a short order, short limit order somewhere around here. But if it does not appear, then I just remain. The downside remains my hypothesis. Never predict, only follow. Yeah, never predict, only follow. Okay, engulfing. 2 more minutes. Wait until the last minute. Okay, one more minute. Now it's already engulfing. See this four candle together engulfing this breakout downward candle. Both EQ and NQ and ES. So I probably set a limit order somewhere here. See if you're gonna go a higher high or higher low something. Because ENI 21 keeps moving upward. See if you retest to here. Hmm. If you don't retest to here, then that's not my trade. Besides, this trade is intimidating, very intimidating. So I set the limit order pretty conservatively. But it's possible that it meets this resistance and drops and goes to here. We'll see. Oh, you miss the resistance. So probably it's not a. That's why I don't like to trade this sideways. Yeah, no trading though, because whenever if we get back and take you on board here, you sure you just retest and keep going up because this is a verified resistance. You sure it's not keep sideways? No, I don't like to trade this. Actually, this is a never trade though. No trading though. So there's no symptom showing that it's gonna get rejected by this trend line. Maybe it will break out. But as I say, break out and retest, and then upward engulfing. Then I'll go from there. But if it shows the engulfing, oh my God, you engulf this candle, then that's great. I can go short, but the uh, the stop loss will be here and the profit will be here. Expected profit will be here. So it's not worth trading. So yeah, no trading though. Keep watching, enjoying. Oh, I will not even spend pay attention to this no trading market. Yeah, let me put it this way: it's no trading market. At least I make $19 today. I'm fine. Oh. Let's see very close. Oh, even it close above, I will not trade. I will wait for the retest and then upward engulfing. That's my plan. Stick to my plan. Hmm. How to deal with fake breakout? Yeah, it's just treat every single breakout as a fake breakout and just let it break out. See if it really break out. If it break out, that is set a new resistance line. Set a new resistance line. And yeah, guess what? Maybe I should go. Maybe I should go long from here, which is verify verify support somewhere and ENA 21. And if it keeps going down, then I can close, but I get this profit. Oh, at the verify support, verify resistance level, it shows star. That means the downward engulfing will be way more easier. I will see if there's any opportunity. If you keep sideways, okay, then I'll see. Maybe the breakout is worth trading at this time. I'll see. I will see that somebody is trying to sell um, at this resistance level. So while the smart money is trying to push up something. Oh, so I don't care how you iterate in the middle. I just want to see the compression of the candle. So why that matters? Why I keep watching the chart? I just every 5 minutes I see okay 09, 05, or 010. I'll watch it, and then I have 5 minutes to put the limit order, and I let you like sideways around there for 5 minutes. Okay. NQ shows some hesitation to keep going on. It feels like yeah micro sideways at the boundary, but ES shows some breakout. Shows some breakout. We'll see. If ES really close above and breakout and NQ still sideways, then I'll maybe go long for NQ. We'll see. Out of thing between ES and NQ is intimidating situation. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Even at the last minute, see, it does not close above this line. That means some. That means it could potentially fall back in the last minute. And I experienced this a lot, so I need to wait and see the last minute. Still not close. ES is breakout. Oh, fallback. It does not close above the out of the range. Then forget about it. Okay, close. Uh, oh, no. Forget about it. So in this way, it's possible that it goes up, a break to the upside or downside. Never get in the trade. Trust me. Especially this is a verified resistance. We'll see until it really break out. We see ES showing a higher high and higher low something. We saw, okay, gonna break out, but think of it, this is another form of sideways. This is parallel sideways. This is like a little bit upward sideways until it really break out. I will not put my bet. Oh, we'll see. If sudden volatility will happen after this breakout, this consolidation at the boundary, then the breakout is very promising. We'll see. So for the RSI, I don't see any divergence, but I see the buying, the long intention is dominating. So we'll see. Looks like just cannot. Or maybe it's accumulating power. I don't know. Keep sideways and maybe sudden volatility incur. I will see. For years, it keeps going up, keeps going up, but still not close. Okay, 3 more minutes. Mm-mm, mm-mm. Continue sideways. We cannot conclude that it will go down. It just continues sideways, which is understandable. Even it shows intention for long, for the upside, but as long as it does not really break out, close above the sideways range, then we don't count it as any indicator. The market will trap you, will fool you in varieties of ways. 2 more minutes. Oh, finally, it's trying to break out at the last minute. We will see. This breakout is not that obvious, but it really means something. Sideways, consolidate, and breakout. See if it retests. Okay. If it does not retest, then this is probably not our trade. You sure you don't want to retest? You're leaving the ENA 21 so far away. So far away. Mm-hmm. Uh-oh, you never come back. After the consolidation. So I miss this trade. Who can catch out this trade is like whenever it is moving, they don't see the compression, they just okay, break, and they get in. So that kind of people can catch out this move. There's no retest, even if it's so small something. So that's okay. We'll see ENA 21 catches up. Two more minutes. Let's look at 15 minutes. For 15 minutes, it shows like keep going up. So no, oh, what's going on with this one? The sheep market. uh, yeah. The should I draw the line with this one? I don't want to count this weak point. And this is gonna be the new resistance level. Okay, from 1 hour chart, it's like somewhere here. From 1 hour chart. The next resistance level is here. It just break out. Some sideways around here. Yeah, some sideways around here as I draw this line. Oh, 1 more minute. Oh, get resisted. Kidding me. What's going on? Okay, yes. Mm-hmm. Just let it break out. Just let it no retest. If there's no retest around here, just let it go. And probably like EN21 will catch up. Let's see if we can arrive at the next resistance level. Let's wait for the next opportunity. No rush, no formal. Yeah, this is verify. Need to pay attention. Uh, vertical line. Oh, it's vertical line, so I need to draw a horizontal line. Why do I need to draw a vertical line? Yeah, keep in mind this is the area. So draw the line at the level that is most duplicate during this peak level. We'll see. Oops. Oops. It looks like a triangle sideway. Another sideway. Another sideway. Just break out and another sideway. So now this is our opportunity. We'll see. This is a micro sideway. So it's possible that it liquidity break out to the downside. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm not sure about the lower bound. Not there to join the lower bound. Uh, but yes, want to go up. See, it's not a sideway. It's just keep going up. But NQ shows some downward intention. In that way, once it engulf, then maybe I should go short for ES. Let's see NQ. Engulfing. And this gonna be a liquidity speed. Let's see very close, the last minute. Ideally engulfing, NQ engulfing, downward. ES still something, then I'll go short on ES. Oh no, not engulfing. Cannot conclude anything. We'll see. NQ shows some downward. Feels like this is a bullish flag. And this is like a triangle sideways, something. So it essentially NQ and ES is just sideways here. Cannot conclude that, okay, downtrend. They are just sideways. And see once this breakout if we can catch. Where is the okay, far away. Still a long way to go. Three more minutes, we'll see. If it break out to the downside, then it's easier to tell from ES chart rather than the NQ chart, because NQ is like a little bit sideways downstairs. Uh, mm, mm, mm. We'll see. Oh, for ES is lower high. Hmm. No, it does not engulf. Let's see this candle. Mm. No, it's still consolidate. See, for ES is still like triangle sideways. So just need to wait until it eventually break out. NQ seems like already break out. Mm. This is the first mini consolidate sideways. Oh damn. So okay. So it looks like break. This is the sideways. Let's see if he come back and pick me up. Mhm. Okay, I'm bored. I hope this is not liquidity speed. It's just a retest. Because what I see is like this is triangle sideways and breakout something. And very rare case, it has liquidity speed and keep going down. But I still need to set a stop loss somewhere here. I'm so intimidating. CNQ gets rejected. Huh. But the reason I feel intimidated is that it's far away from Unit 21. But the price action structure shows solid if it's sideways, and this one if it break out, and this is like finalized. Oh, things not looking right. Not looking right. I hope this is just retest. Things not looking right. Oh, it's still, so it's still in the sideway of this triangle. Then I need to prepare if it reaches here. Probably I just need to quit. Okay, as long as you do not close above this range, beneath this range. I mean, there's some hopes, still some hopes. Now it feels sideways. For NQ is sideways. For ES is sideways. Uh, we'll see. Some people are selling. Gosh, Jesus is already, it does not meet the resistance. What's this place? Some people are selling here. Mhm. It's supposed to go here, I guess. Go here. Oh, oh. Mm-hmm. Oh my God, it's still sideways, sideways. Only 2 minutes stage. Mm. And the back test to here. How can I know? Look at NQ. Looks like it retests to the upper bound of this sideways range and continue up. Well, for ES, maybe I just it's too far away from EN 21. That's why I feel concerned. But this is solid, like sideways. So if we break out, that's very promising. And now it's sideways. Maybe with some micro profit, I should get out of the trade. It back to sideways. I think it is breaking out. Let's see this candle. Now it shows sideways. And what about this one? If it keeps falling, then probably I should reverse. Mm-hmm. So it's just sideways from this triangle to something like here. Let's see NQ. If it breaks this trend line close underneath here. For ES, it looks like it's trying to break down or trying to retest to ENA 21. I don't know. So still need to wait for the compression of the candle. Otherwise, something like this will happen. This looks like if it does not close above, then don't get in the trade. Uh, Now I get trapped. I'll see the compression of this candle if it close above this line or underneath this line. 3 more minutes. Hmm. I just see NQ it does not fall back close underneath this trend line. So it's still like want to go up. But no, it's like sideways. For NQ it's sideways. Another sideways. But for ES it's like bull flag. No, ES is more like a liquidity sweep and start going down. 2 more minutes, we'll see. If this candle ended on a green candle or a red candle. There is some fair value gap. A little bit minor. And some minor here. Look at this one. It could stretch or it could bounce back. Mm-mm-mm. I'll probably add a complementary order here if it falls. Overall is about ENA 200, so overall is uptrend. Uh, well, this is micro retest. Oh my God, in this sidebar, you're gonna do a micro retest and see if this candle engulf this previous one. This is ridiculous market. Hey, it's still far away from ENA 21. It feels like falls back and retest to this lower bow trend line. Mm. Yeah, I need to conduct my stop loss here. Wait for your retest. Wait for the retest. And then I quit. You don't retest? Come on. Come on. Oh, you just go straight down without any retest. Oh my God, you shit. Maybe I just need to get flattened out here. We'll see. It's far away from ENA 21, but solid day. So I get trapped by this fake breakout. But as I say, let it retest here and show up. Upward engulfing. I'll start from there. But you know what? This is for ES. For NQ is already retest. For NQ is already retest to here. And I hope this candle will be smaller so that 120. Okay. For NQ is already very close to ENA 21. ENA 21 exceeds a little bit, upward a little bit. So maybe I'm gonna put a bet here. Oh, 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 oh. Because I see ES is already dominate. Oh, then NQ gonna probably follow. If it does not follow, I'll add. I'm pretty confident. I add my complementary order here. 49. Oh, why is 85? Jesus. Okay, engulf. So my trading principle is once my complementary order gets triggered, then I'll quit with micro profit because this is too deep retest and in the sideways, so I need to leave the trade. But now it's like, okay, it's gonna go up, retest to ENA 21 and get pushed back. That on some realistic point. Hmm. We'll see this trade. Oh, 65 points, and now it's only 5. Oh, a long way to go. And this is sideways after breakout. Consolidate, that makes sense, and see the next one can outbreak to confirm the uptrend. For ES, it's still far away from ENA 21, but for NQ, it's already retested here. Consolidate. Two more minutes. Hmm. One more minute. Oh, retest. Wait. The sideway. Keep sideway. Oh, things does not look right. Every test to here, but for ES, it's still not half. It's still like 0.6, and this close less than half. We'll see this one. Mm-hmm. 0.6, yeah, and start to push back. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, yes, shows upward intention, and NQ still trying to go down. It feels like the upward momentum is not strong. See this retest and something. Ooh. Risk reward ratio 1.2, 1,2, 1 versus 2. That's fair enough. Oh, it keeps falling down. But ES is not reached to the end. It's not reached to the end. While NQ just reached almost even with the bullish candle. For this candle, ES still shows reluctant to go down. See, it's only 0.6, around some 0.6, but okay. Let's see if this is a consolidate. It keeps drawing down stretch, or it just reverse something, reverse pattern. ES shows reverse pattern. Downward, star, upward. Let's see NQ. If NQ ended out this bullish candle, engulf the previous bearish candle, then that means it's reverse. Okay, ES shows strong upward momentum. NQ should follow. Okay, keep going up. After this sideways, keep going up. Okay, great. Mm, I need to wait for the compression of the next two candles. Make sure it does not sideways. It leaves the sideways area. Instead of stop order, secure my profit. It feels like I don't need this complementary order anymore. 20 point. Okay, half. You need 44 points. Oh, CES is breakout dominantly, but NQ still like even the upper bound sideways. Yeah, I need to add my stop loss. Maybe I will get kicked out with micro profit. Uh, if that's the case, that's potentially a reverse rather than a retest. Uh, if you look at ES, the upward momentum is so strong, but I'm not sure. Anything can happen. Hmm. 1 more minute. Consolidate around here, it looks like. Okay, retest to the upper bound. If it's a retest, then probably it should retest to here with such a strong momentum. Otherwise, it's volatility. Okay, yes, retest to the upper bound of this peak point. Mm. Is there liquidity three if this is spray and reverse? Then this is the liquidity speed. I need to give up around here. Mm. Okay. Get defended by Yen 21 again. For ES, let's see if it close underneath this trend line. We'll see how it reacts to ENA 21. Now it feels like it's still defending. CES, if it close, finish this trend line. Oh, it seems it close. If it triggers my complementary order, I'll quit the trade with micro profit. Oh, it looks like it's continuing to stretch to the downside. Let's see if it close underneath ENA 21. Or it still get defended by ENA 21. I don't know. Now it's sideways at the trend line. Oh, you wanna close underneath ENA 21. There is a choppy market. Mid noon and afternoon market is pretty choppy. So maybe I can just make it even. Let me see how much I lose. 220. Oh, so it does not close underneath unit 21. The trend line is still defending for ES. Let's see. Last minute. Oh, it looks like it's trying to close underneath unit 21. Last minute. Oh, get full again. Get trapped again. almost. Okay. Now it's close business ENA 21. If it keeps continue going down, then I need to quit. Oh, it really, you're kidding me. Mm. Hey, at least you retest somewhere, somewhere around here. Yeah. Okay. It bounce back from here because ES triggered the arrive at the ENA 21 and send support step in. Mm. NK wants to bounce back. Where do I set my stop loss? Oh, it's here at the lower bow. Mm. Hmm. Okay, this looks like consolidation. 2 more minutes. Consolidation candle. It's not necessarily bounce back because this is very strong downward momentum. But if it bounce back, let's see. Yes, shows some defense and previous support, previous verified support. Okay, this is if it close underneath here, I just need to quit. Not yet. CES. Bounce back. Bounce back. Let's see. Yes. NQ still want to go down. God. Oh, yes. Also want to go down. Break yen 21. Jesus. It feels like it is still effective defense. Let's see the reaction on yes, yen 21. Hmm. Get trapped. So I really need to follow my trading principle. Only look for short, cause this is like sideways and breakout. I was like, okay. Then I think I said a very conservative like limit order, but still. So today I lose almost 600. We'll see if it's just reverse, like trend reversal from here. Maybe something happened. You just want to go down, or the market want to sell suddenly. I will see. I might need to set a stop loss here. In that way, I only lose 200. Yeah, I don't, not principal enough. I just let it fall. Cannot go short at this time because there's no retest. And up to here is still like retest. We'll see if he has a upward curving or go long. Up to this point, and above is still retest. So we'll see. Hmm. Oh, Jesus, you're telling me. For ES, retest to unit 21 and then show engulfing. We'll see. Oh no. Uh, damn, Jesus. Okay, with this deep retest, follow my trading principle, let it break out and let it retest out to this area. Okay, that makes sense. And then upward engulfing, so go the long trade. But 2 more minutes, anything can happen. I'm expecting obvious dominating. CES is still dominating. It gets pushed back by the ENA 21. It's just that I'm too confident, so I'm biting to my trade. So I need to stop loss and terminate the trade early on, reduce the loss. So for this one, if it falls like this, then I will quit the trade. 1 more minute. At least ES is engulfing. Let's see how it reacts on ENA 21. But for ES, it's like pushed back by ENA 21. Hmm. Oh, it's just minor dominant. It's not like obviously dominant. So there's still risk. It's still risky. See if he fall. Mm-mm-mm. I would rather miss this try. Okay. Because it's just minor dominate. It's not like yes, just so obvious. So a little bit risky. Quit the trade with micro profit. Yeah, micro. Oh, look at yes, bounce back at EN21. I really need to stick to my trading principle. But ES goes so strong. What about NQ? It feels like reluctant. Update and stop. Mm. Hmm. If it gets back to this resistance level, and we'll see very close. I hope we close about here, about this line. 2 more minutes. So I'll wait for 2 more candles. Oh, half. Hmm. Okay. new candle. Let's see. It looks like ES gonna create a higher high, but for NQ is where is it? Second. It does not exist the second candle. At least I make 65. Delivery test to unit 21. Okay, look at then we will need to look at this candle. Not easy to make money. Maybe just 200, 200, 200. Every 200 we just take profit. Okay, 3 more minutes. Let's wait for this candle. If this candle shows downward engulfing, then I'll go short because it already shows a deep retest. Maybe the deep retest will become the reverse. Yes, shows upward momentum. $44. Oh, Jesus. Yes, it's at a critical verified resistance. So I'll get by. Never do the market something. I should probably like do a limit order somewhere around here. Okay, yes, keep breaking out to the outside. So if I set a limit order here, I will make more. That's the point. Hmm. Yes, I already push and break pretty high, but NQ still feel like sideways. Oh my God, it's sideways. God damn. NQ shows some momentum to go down, whereas not engulfing yet, but yet shows some momentum to go up. Hmm. Three more minutes. We'll see. Yes, has an intention to go up. See, is again living far away from EN 21, but NQ looks like South 10. I go long at almost the top. Okay, we'll see. How much? Six something. But we'll see. Looks like ES just meets this resistance and this liquidity sweep and failed to create a high. So far, everything still shows the uptrend, but it looks like it failed to create a high engulfing, so it continued to go down. Oh my god, it's already engulfing. Don't fool me like this. Let's see, yes. Hmm. Under 1 minute. We'll see. This is dangerous. It's gonna be strong bullish. For years, it seems it continue to go up. Well, it suffers from. We'll see how it goes. Now, ES shows a parallel sideways, while NQ shows downside. The ES here and not breakout, but NQ shows it's not even reach the bottom of this bullish candle and gets down. Downward momentum is relatively strong, but ES shows upward momentum, some divergence. I don't like this. ES is above Unit 21, while NQ just, it feels like it's getting defended by Unit 21, you see? Mm. So I can feel the downward momentum. 2 more minutes, we'll see. Okay, last minute. It does not engulf. Fail to create a higher high. Shoulder, hand, shoulder. We'll see. Oh, yes, shows hammer. Where NQ still strive to go up. ES does not show upward engulfing. That's good. But NQ, oh, we are NQ upward and trigger. Just doesn't trigger. Hmm. Maybe one or two more ticks. They just stand here. Hmm. Oh, okay, 10. Oh, it keeps moving up. Things not correct, not looking good. ES engulf downward to confirm this is a sideway. So engulf this sideway area to the downside. Otherwise, if you if you close above this area, then I will leave the trade, and that's the last trade for today. Yeah, today. Oh, yes, shows downward intention. 2 more minutes. Oops. It looks like shoulder, hand, shoulder. If this engulf 2 more minutes, we'll see. NQ still wants to go up, while ES shows downward engulfing. ENA 21 still going higher. It means the overall trend is still higher, but price action shows if this is downward engulfing, then it shows shoulder, hand, shoulder. Specifically for NQ is like going down. It does not even reach the shoulder, previous shoulder. Okay, we'll see. Oops, you're gonna bounce back. So for NQ, it's still like sideways. For ES, it's like breakout, engulf to the downside. So going forward, it should go down. But NQ is still sideways. Oh my God. I don't see RSI divergence. It's like, hmm, oh, somewhere here. But this draw might probably conceal this divergence. Hmm. So it's still sideways. Hmm. I need it close underneath here, this line, so that to confirm it leaves the sideways area. Let's see this candle, how it reacts. Now it seems ENI 21 still performing the defense. What's that? Mm, okay. See very close. See how it reacts to ENA 21. Now this is the second time. One, two, three. This is the third time. Shows downward engulfing. You would like to see. Shoulder, hand, shoulder. And this is like gradually going down. You'll see this candle, next candle. This is probably like consolidation. 2 more minutes. Oh, okay. Sideways consolidate for this candle. Last minute, we'll see. Just see some divergence. retest so high, but arrived this critical, but it just retest to the downside. Oh, ES shows a sudden downward intention, where NQ ends up to be a green candle. That's weird. After consolidation will fall, will this one close underneath this here? Not easy to trade the transfer, the reverse, because buyers and sellers are struggling, fighting with each other. See, it's sideways around here. And some divergence, where ES shows a red candle, NQ shows green candle, and now it's reverse. ES shows green, NQ shows red. So it's just sideways here. God, I think you're gonna continue down. What's the last trade? 157. Hmm. Now it's still defended by ENA21. That's not a good sign. I mean, for NK, it's just sideways, but not sure. ES shows. See if you can close about underneath ENA21. It previously got defended. Get defended, defended, defending. Let's see this one. Hmm. Probably here. We'll see if it falls. Right, this shoulder and shoulder, shoulder and shoulder and shoulder for ES, but um there's no pattern for NQ. Is there any? It's just retest to here and get free fall and get sideways here. Oh, ES is trying to go down. All candles are red, while NQ is sometimes green. So it's horizontal sideways. God damn. Okay, last mini. Oh, no, it's engulfing for this sideway. It's not engulfing here. It does not break here. So still, I cannot set a stop loss. Let's look at, yes, it will be defended for this candle, or it keeps continue breakdown. Now you see some rejection. Okay, keep falling. Then I can set some stop loss some here, well, somewhere here. Ten. So whenever you retest to there, that's reverse. Okay, let's see if we cover here. Close underneath here. That means that's a break. Downtrend continue, and will the next resistance will be here. So I'll trade more tightly when it is coming close to here. But now, no. 3 more minutes, we'll see. Yes, that's breakout. Mm, oh, it looks like it reverse. It reverse. Yes. Yeah, please close underneath this peak point. Then I confirm that it's breakout and then retest. I can confirm my stop loss is safe. Will not get kicked out early. But ES does not look good. See, it shows another great rejection while NQ just want to go down because I don't know. Hmm. Oh, it reversed from there. So ES still want to go up. That does not look good. Okay, 1 more minute. See very close. Okay, break. Oh, get rejected. 1 more minute, last minute. God damn, this is so. I need to wait for the next candle to set the. Gonna bounce back, start to reverse from here, or retest in 21. Now ES shows some rejection. It does not look good for the short seller. We'll see NQ. If NQ breaks the lower low, then I'll move trade my stop loss. But not now. Be more patient. Okay. ES still want to go down. That breaks the neckline. Shoulder, hand, shoulder becomes complete. See if you can break. So I'll secure like at least 250. Okay, looks like after the sideway, it starts to flush to the downside. Okay, let's see how far it can go. Um, daily PNL. When it arrives here, when the NQ arrives here, when the ES arrives here, I'll so potentially it will retest. Let's see. But pull back for so much. Retest to here. If you will continue flush or you just get rejected. 400. ES still engulfing, so I'm pretty confident. Okay, you have retest a lot. So the most is here. I'm not sure, but if you continue down, then I move my trailing stop loss here. If you reach this again, reach here again. Okay, during this critical price level, previous resistance, now current support, but shoulder hand shoulder something. So maybe a retest and trigger and kick me out. Okay, now we have some reference here, but not too early. Wait until the price action creates a lower low. Then we move our trading stop loss here. Oh, now it's too early. Oh, yes. Yes, it seems trying to create a lower low. Keep rushing to the downside. We'll see. Uh-oh. Okay, sideway here. We'll wait for the sideway. It looks like ES want to go down, continue go down. Not sure what that is. Okay, yes, almost engulf, but NQ still hesitate. NQ, what are you doing, NQ? Yes, okay, yes, even. At this level. Consolidate, keep going down. I think this is healthy. We'll see. Okay, yes, recharge. Trying to challenge this price line, like 895 again. Seller step back in. Oh, buyers step in. Sideway. I'm okay if he get me kick out and with 400 profit. Okay, consolidation. We'll see this candle. Again, if he breaks the new lower low, then we'll move the trading stop loss, but not at this time. Maybe I can like more conservative because I'm not feeling comfortable with sideways. And for ES, it looks like sideways. So I need to secure more profit. Well, it still has downside, consolidate and stretch. Next will be stretch. I see the stretch. If it will break break this, if it arrive here, I'll probably move my stop loss here. So at least I make some money. At least today is green. Let's see. This is like order block. It's possible on triggering order block is start to reverse. That's why I need to set my stop loss to secure my profit. Maybe I should set my take profit here. If we consolidate here, then if we consolidate here, not here, then our chances that once it break out, it should break this level. But this consolidation happens too early, I think. Very difficult to go down. It looks like some buyer step in. ES can be some heuristic indicator, even it breaks to a lower low. But as long as NQ does not break to a lower low, I will not move my trading stop loss. Yeah, that's the thing. Really not happy. Oh, so it kick is reverse from here. We'll see. Now it's breaking structure and ENA 21 just something. So I look for downward engulfing candle and recharge from there. We'll see. Wait a minute. So we back to oh my god, kick me out and then resume downside. Ridiculous. I thought you're gonna retest to somewhere around here. For yes, somewhere around here. And then show other downward engulfing. Okay, sideways. Obviously, this is sideways. See, almost equal low for ES. And something like maybe some square, square corner, something. I don't know. not higher high. So K down. Don't bet on the table. This looks like a deep retest. See, he does not about this. And conclude and yeah, and the downward momentum keep decreasing. Now it starts to resume. So maybe I don't know. I'm gonna put it here and wait for the compression. See if we really outbound. It looks like this is a deep retest. Now still overall is still uptrend and deep retest goes to here. I will need to see. Okay, for ES creates a higher high. Keep going down. Because it consolidate here rather than here. It's still like upward. For ES, it's not even. It's not even arrived at the top at this part. So ES has a showing some intention to go up. Overall, this is still uptrend. And this is a retest and consolidate and maybe. So I will probably set my stop loss here and set my take profit here if it end up to be something engulfing. Let's see. Yes, want to go down? You kidding me? Don't fool me. Come on. NQ already want to go up because the downward momentum keep decreasing based on this chart. And deep retest, ES just want to go down because the structure is still somewhere here. Okay. See if it engulf. ES is reluctant to go up. NQ. Now all candles are green. ES just fluctuate. Cyber reverse and it seems like get defended by ENA 21. Mm. Uh-oh, it goes down. It goes down. Go. It looks like this is a bear flag, but overall, if we look at this, this is a bearish flag. Overall is supposed to go up because the overall momentum, downward momentum keeps decreasing at this part. Yeah, that's what I thought. At this part, it should bounce back. Look at yes. If yes can engulf, okay, stay. 3 more minutes. Stay there. Okay, 2 more minutes. If it falls back, that is still sideways. I'm not happy with the sideways. Nobody knows how long this sideways gonna go. Mm. If you will retest to here, retest to here. If no, that's fine. I will see how how it reacts to yen 21. Okay. Yes. Show up. Mm-hmm. Right here. So this is my order 10. At least I will not lose for this trade. It's very intimidating to increase position. Good thing is break and invalidates my hypothesis. So we have aggressive entry here, and after it breaks and something like keep going up, so it validates, okay, we can add a conservative entry. So together, our average entry will be somewhere in between aggressive and conservative. Is somewhere that the conservative can never reach. And we can set the, after it breaks, we can set the stop loss at conservative level. Oh, you get rejected. 3 more minutes. So it's possible it retest to somewhere here. I'm not sure. So that's why I set the stop loss something. I can get kicked out with only 57, but it's better than lose. We'll see this one. Okay, retest to the upper bound of the sideways range. If it triggers my stop loss, that's potentially is a reverse. And okay to take micro profit, and it's better than a lose because the position is big. Okay, retest to the upper bound of the sideways. See if you can close above unit 21 for both NQ and ES. Things are not looking good. Things are not looking good if you don't get recharged and stretch. Okay, last minute. Close about unit 21, please. Uh, that's correct for yes. Good job, yes, but not for NQ. So still some risk. Let's see this candle. See if you can close above unit 21. After this retest, it should pop, 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 go to the previous high. Pop, 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 pop. Somewhere around here. Come on, at least one more green candle. Or otherwise, I will need to remove. I will need to move. Yeah, at least I don't lose. I'm green today. just in case you reverse. See if you can break out. Otherwise, if you show the downward engulfing, then probably I will go short. If you just downward engulfing here, it seems like this is sideways. Hmm. Damn. We'll see if it shows engulfing. No, actually, it will retest, break and retest. We'll see if it breaks somewhere here, or it breaks and show the upward engulfing. Hmm. Still sideways. Okay. Still red day. Maybe I should just take profit whenever I'm green. Even it shows engulfing, I will not buy in. I will see if it retests somewhere here and show upward engulfing. See, for ES, its preferred standard is still uptrend. Maybe I should set my stop loss somewhere here. Okay, it recharges. We will see. Star. For ES is star. Oh my God, keep going up. So I should reserve more conservative stop loss. So it keeps breaking to the upside. Because I just concerned the retest to the upper bound. So I apply like tight trading stop loss. Sideways and retest to the something. Retest to the upper bound of this side of this flag. first mini break to the upside. 3 more mini. Oh, oh, oh. I lose this time. Hmm. Great. Not sure which one will get triggered. Hmm. Sideways break. Okay. Sell from here. Oh, oh, both get triggered. God damn. Sell. Oh, then this is the liquidity speed. It seems I get full again. Oh, I just want to cancel one. $11.55. Another new candle. ENA 21 still defending for ES. What about NQ? NQ is like okay, it defends into the down. So the retest begin. Oh, NQ wants to go up, while ES want to go down. God. ES, come on, boost up. ES. Oh, 2 more minutes. Hmm. Oh, you get pushed down. ES want to go down. But it's still upward engulfing for NQ. Should not trade both at the same time. To look at both is pretty tired and distracted. It's not, there's no, okay, last minute. Let's see, very close. If it close like engulfing, there's still hope. If something like ES, oh my God, there are divergence. ES NQ divergence, that's not good. ES want to go up, NQ want to go up, good. Okay, NQ engulf, so uptrend resumes. So what about ES? Okay, ES engulf, great. Let me see you stay close about this way. Okay, so much for today. I'll end here.